Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a bit about desktop as a service or DaaS solution. So since we have cloud connectors integrated successfully with the Citrix cloud environment, I'm going to share a couple of details about desktop as a service. Okay, let me go to desktop as a service. What exactly is desktop as a service? Desktop as a service or DaaS is a cloud computing offering that securely delivers virtual apps and desktops from the cloud to any device. This managed desktop virtualization solution, also known as DaaS, is used for provisioning secure SaaS and legacy applications as well as full Windows-based virtual desktops and deliver them to your workforce. So these days users are connecting remotely. So desktop as a solution provides virtual desktops and applications or SaaS applications or any legacy applications. We can provide all these application virtual desktops or applications or SaaS applications, all these through desktop as a service solution. Okay, so a user can connect to these applications. A user can access these virtual apps or desktops from any location on any device. So that is the beauty of desktop as a service. So let us now check what are the benefits of DaaS, desktop as a service. So we've been discussing about DaaS and we have created cloud connectors and we have integrated with Citrix Cloud. What is the benefit of DaaS? So desktop as a service has flexibility. Employees, seasonal workers and contractors can securely access their applications, remote desktops and sensitive data from anywhere on cost effective devices. So basically users, you call it employees or seasonal workers or contractors, they can access any application from any end user device. That is the beauty of this. So this helps people stay productive no matter where they work and makes it easy for IT to support bring your own device. So let's say there is an organization and this organization has 1,000 employees. Okay, so you cannot buy 1,000 devices or 1,000 phones to give it to the employees. It will be very expensive for the organization. Instead, if you can implement BYOD, bring your own device, a user must be already having an iPad or two iPhones or laptop. In that case, what happens is users can use those devices to connect to the Citrix environment. So that is the flexibility that is offering. And security. DaaS provides a secure access point for users and simplifies management. So from administration point of view, you can make sure that you are providing these DaaS applications to users with highly secure environment. Okay, and business continuity. So DaaS can be a simple way to support disaster recovery and business continuity plans. This is very important. At any point in time, let's say if you have only on-prem data center and if there is only one data center and you have installed everything there, and if that goes down, then your entire infrastructure is down. Users will not be able to connect to the virtual apps or desktops or any other applications. Instead, if you have this DaaS solution, you can put it on Azure or you can put it on Google Cloud or you can put it on Amazon Web Service or any other cloud platform. So with the help of this disaster recovery, it is going to support disaster recovery and business continuity plans, because if something goes down, there will be another data center which will have desktops ready and users can connect to those machines and access those applications. So that is the beauty of business continuity. Okay, scalability with the DaaS. See, all of a sudden you have, let's say you have only 5,000 employees, all of a sudden you have 2,000 employees who wants to access, your organization has expanded and you have 2,000 employees all of a sudden want to access desktops or applications. In that case, you can expand it using scalability. And cost savings, it saves a lot of time, money and energy, because you don't have to buy the space, you don't have to take care of the infrastructure servers, you don't have to hire a lot of people to take care of the hardware, maintenance, power, all these things. It can save a lot of cost as well, and it is compatible. It is quite compatible with DaaS solutions from Citrix. Companies can gain additional advantages from close partnerships with key players. So if you have DaaS, there is a lot of compatibility integration happening with other technology providers, so you will get those benefits as well. So these are the benefits of desktop as a service. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a diagram now. So this is the diagram. So we have installed two cloud connectors in the resource location, and these two cloud connectors successfully integrated with Citrix Cloud. That's why it is showing green here. Okay, now in your resource location, it could be on-prem or Google Cloud or any other cloud platform. If you have installed, let's say, VDM machines, okay, like a virtual desktops or virtual applications, users, if you have installed all these things, it will communicate through cloud connectors to Citrix Cloud. Okay, so if you have like 1,000 VDM machines here, they have to go through cloud connectors to communicate with Citrix Cloud. At any point in time, if these two cloud connectors are down, then it will impact the environment. It will impact the environment. So please make sure that you have at least two cloud connectors. Two cloud connectors. Okay. So maybe your organization will have a resource location on Amazon Web Services or something. So if you are given a task to install cloud connectors, you have to make sure that these cloud connectors are installed properly and they are communicating fine with the Citrix Cloud. Okay, at any point in time, if you need some, if you need to update some security patches or Windows patches, you need to take the downtime, and so that Citrix Cloud will push those security patches from Citrix side, and from Windows side, if you want to push some patches, you can also push from your end as well. So this is very, very important. So when users try to connect to the Citrix virtual desktops or apps, so they have to go through cloud connectors. They have to go through cloud connectors to access those virtual desktops. Okay, so this is all about desktop as a service, guys. So the only difference between DaaS and DaaS on Azure is DaaS is like you can have it on-prem or it can be on any cloud platform. DaaS on Azure is like you have to have these workloads or these VDM machines or resource location created only on Azure. That's it. So I really hope you find this section very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.